What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
All right, guys, 2014 Honda Accord Coupe V6, lowered and sexy. Look at that. He's gonna get some new wheels for it to make the stance even better, which I don't blame him. Anyways, factory converter, primary is up here somewhere. There and yeah, there. Then factory resonator, there. 2.25 inch pipe out to 2-inch pipe or 1 3/4 pipe out with the duals from the factory there and there. Then what we did is a muffler delete there and there, and some quad tips out the back. As you know, why not? We'll have a link in the description for them too. They're the U-Power quad tips. 2.25 inlet or 3-inch outlet. There and there. Here's the part number. Thank you, Mr. J. Rod. There we go. Part number 41646. Be a link in the description. Like always, guys, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. You gotta press it. Press subscribe. Press it. It keeps us up there. Come on, guys. We gotta get to 500,000. Come on. Make it happen. Oh, and there's factory converters there and there. Factory tips there and there. Yeah. Yeah. A lot better than that ugly factory crap. What do they gotta smash?
They gotta smash that subscribe.
You want it louder? Good. Well, if you guys want it louder, what you gotta do is take the resonator off, just to let you guys know. There's sound decibels. Again. Right at 110. One more time. I like the stance of it though, it's perfect, bro. Yeah, if you get just some wider wheels, oh my God. It looks so good. That tent is perfect too on it. Yeah, I like that. What do you guys think of the sound? Let me know in the comments. I like it. It's clean, just deep, throaty tone. Let you guys hear on the inside. Go on the Accord V6, the lowered life. You guys check out the stance. Got a nice stance to it. Yes sir, yes sir. Sounds so good, dude. I like it. Want to